Folks, 85 degrees, drank 4 bottles of water. What is the time? 2:04 p.m. 2:04 p.m. Let's put the sunglasses. 2:04 p.m. I don't know what to start with. I don't even know if I should use this live scope or turn it off. Let's turn it off. First of all, it's overheated. Second of all, I have a phobia that live scope spooks the fish. I have a phobia lately. I had one amazing day of fishing this year. Just one. Non-stop. Fish on every cast. And it was when my electronics didn't even work. So now from time to time what I do is I still use live scope. I cheat. But when you find the bed, when you know the bed is in front of you, the bed is not gonna move. Another bluegill came with it. The bed is not gonna move. So you might as well turn it off so you don't spook these fish. This is the 1000 SSSPG Vanquish. This is my new toy, $150 Beleza UX. I will put the exact model on the screen. I don't know it. I know it's super ultra light and it's super amazing. I finally have a recommendation for you guys for $150. All of my videos, people keep asking me. I never had a recommendation for $150. I have recommendations for 300 and for 50. And nothing in between. Look. Absolute riot. Yeah, we're gonna turn off live scope as we did, so we don't spook these fish, and try to work this bed discreetly. This bluegill is not very big, but did you see how he fought? Let's twitch it like this. Maybe this bed is kind of small fish. How can you get bites without connection? When you fish PG1 size 12 with a trout magnet, there's nothing left. By the time you grab the trout magnet, the hook is already in your mouth. Yeah, I said this in several other videos already, but this rod here is absolutely amazing for fighting bluegill and crappie. Both bluegill and crappie. This rod is amazing. The tip is not too soft, so to load the tip you have to load the whole blank. That's the deal with iFish. When I like a rod, if you want to load the tip, you have to load the rod. You can't just load the tip and the rod be completely stiff. Maybe there is not a lot of fish right next to me. Cast a little farther. I also, because this bed is so big, I want to switch lures pretty frequently before they get sick of the trout magnet, because they will get sick of it. So maybe we'll switch to something else right away. They're still hitting it, but getting cautious. They're getting cautious already. One more fish. Not even fish. One more cast. And we're gonna switch. Yeah, interestingly, this rod sensitivity is very good. Maybe because of the line. with this ester line, it's like braid. You're always gonna have good sensitivity. Man, this rod is so good for fighting fish. It feels so bendy and enjoyable. And it's not soft. It is not soft. This rod is not soft. It's elastic, not soft. It is so good for fighting fish. Come here, buddy. Man, this might be a good bluegill. It's something good. And he's not that good. He's very nice, but I thought he's hooked kind of funny. He's hooked kind of funny, otherwise. And he was going on an angle. He scared me. Let's switch. Let's switch to something else before they see this too many times and they get tired of it. Let's switch to the black on black. Let's get just a few fish with the black on black. Forgot where the bed is. Is there a fish so far to the left? That's a bite. Black on black. Very close to me. I would not have caught a fish that close if I made another cast with the trout magnet. My gosh, folks. I don't know if it gets better than this. Maybe if this was instead of 8-incher, a 9-incher. Maybe if I was catching a 9-inchers on every cast. But is that even realistic to be catching 9-inchers on every cast? Maybe if you have one of these farm ponds where people feed them pellets. Told you. Black here running now. Black on black. He's a bruiser. He's a bruiser. Is this a bluegill or do we need to lift talon and give chase? Is this a bruiser? Maybe this fish spooked everything on my bed. No explosion yet. Maybe channel catfish. Can you imagine if this is a bluegill? If this is a bluegill, I'm gonna get a heart attack. Why is it not jumping? Yeah, it's gotta be a channel catfish. Come here. Come here. If it's a channel catfish, it's very small. What else? Why it's not jumping? Yeah, it does have some head shakes, but it's not conclusive. Not a lot of head shakes. Kind of steady too. I don't know. Yeah, channel catfish is the most likely offender here. Just don't go into this stupid brush there. Yeah. Got you. I got you. Yeah. Okay, I see the float. He should be no more than 2.5 feet under. Got you. I got you, buddy. I got you. Yeah, little channel. Little bitty channel. Ooh, another channel with him. 2 channels. They're always like that. Another channel with him. Yeah. Are you munching on the little bluegill beds? Yeah. Are you? Is this a bullcat? It looks very white. No, it is channel. I got you. Man, good fight. This little thing pulled like that. Now he starts with the head shakes and the rolls. At first he got me. Where is my net? Net is here. We prepared today. Come on. Maybe I should give it to somebody. Should I give it to somebody? Because there's a lot of people fishing from the bank catching nothing. I don't have a cooler. I don't want to fill my live well with water. I'm just gonna let him go. Ugh. Yeah, let's retire real quick. Not because of the slime, but he did some abrasion, folks. Did some abrasion, and 2.5 pound leader with a little bit of abrasion, you're running the chance of losing even a 10-inch bluegill, which is really what I'm trying to catch today.